Next up in the vac lab is a 2011 Hoover WindtunnelMAX. This one tests out at 47 CFM at the nozzle, but it does have very good suction. I think over 80 inches of water lift. So let's put some flour down and see how this works. The agitation's pretty good with this machine. It's not extreme. So let's see how well this does. The flour under the carpet test. Take a look at the bin in a moment. Now for the results. Well, looks like it didn't pick up much at all. Maybe 10%? Pretty little. So this didn't really do all that well. And if we take a look at the inside of the bin, will we see any flour? Well, see a little dirt it managed to pick up, but I'm not seeing any white flour. So, as far as this bagless machine being a max, I would probably call it a min. So this one gets a thumbs down as far as deep cleaning. Thanks for watching.